is the one who is oneself involved in it, actively involved, and enjoys every moment. Other type of travelers are the one who would love to sit in the train with a beautiful window and watch the beauty. That type of passive traveler, where they are dead but moving. So it has to be something that is dead and moving. And other type is something that is active and moving, where you burn your calories. You are actually enjoying by burning your calories. Here you are enjoying without burning your calories. This is passive type of traveler. That is what is seen. What she says that I don't like to walk around, but I love traveling. I'm not interested in walking around. So phosphorus traveling is someone who will be burning their calories and themselves making a move, spending their energy. That is the type of traveling. Whereas if you see the traveling that is there from other group, like for example carcinosin, they will sit at one place rather than burn themselves and slowly spread. The type of traveling is the slow spreading type. But they themselves are fixed at one place and they don't move. But they like things moving around them. Hey, wow, such a beautiful landscape. Hey, wow, such a beautiful daffodils. Hey, wow, such a beautiful garden. So they will love this type of traveling, which is they themselves are not burning their calories. They are dead, but everything is moving. That is the type of traveling that they will enjoy. This is the difference how phosphorus traveling is physical movement. You physically move out. Whereas other passive type of is your visual movement is there. Physically you are there only, but you are visually looking at different things. This is what I gauge is what I see in carcinosin type of traveling desire for, and phosphorus type of people where the traveling is physically they are moving out. That is the difference, main difference between the traveling of carcinosin and traveling of phosphorus.